Yo, it should be a
tornado. All right, and ring the bell, ref. Okay.
This match is underway.
Wait,
we do this in a ring also. This is just spare time, clearly. We have nothing else to do.
Boo!
Let's get this match started.
Where's the money?
He's 265 pounds of pure muscle.
Go home,
the bell
Savage. Go home. Go home, Savage. Go home.
Oh no.
Go home, Savage. Go home.
Yo, you should be here. You should be here. Yo, Boondoxx, you should be here.
No, go.
That's your corner, right?
Where's the
Get over there.
Wait, I want to find Savage.
Yo, where are the hater blockers? Where are the hater blockers?
And Boondoxx is here. He's now going to start off the match. He's the one who came up to John the Cat earlier. John the Cat, what's his name? Hardy, right? That's his name. Earlier today, said to reunite the tag team they once had.
Cat, I wrestled for a paycheck. Just want to let you know.
Oh! Oh! Oh my God!
Cat's looking like
he doesn't stand a chance. There you go.
Listen,
Hey, he's a former TCW champion.
Oh God!
For what, a second?
3 minutes, so.
3 minutes.
Tag team champion, hardcore intercontinental.
Listen,
Shut your mouth!
Ezekiel Jackson has a ECW title reign when ECW canceled.
And Savage Mann, complete control from Mann. Hey, hey! Savage Mann, control.
Cat had his title for more than Sandman and Ezekiel Jackson.
Shut up. Savage Mann, complete control of this matchup so far.
Who's ever done something
Oh God! Oh God! Oh! Mean running close on. Look at that.
He didn't win any titles.
Savage Man's just too big. He's too big. All right, let's see. Savage Mann is a former multiple-time TCW champion. He is, oh my God, a former Money in the Bank contract holder. He is now currently one half of the tag team champions. John the Cat Hardy doesn't stand a chance. Oh my God, that just got him mad. That just got him mad. Not good. That just got him mad. You should not do that to Savage Mann. Huh? I know. Oh, he's running. Oh!
He sold the air.
A spinning heel kick.
Where's the money?
Oh, Savage Mann intimidating Boondoxx, man.
Cat's dead.
Cat.
Oh, that's a bad idea. That was a bad idea.
I mean, come on.
That was not fair.
Double wiki tiki.
What?
Double
What's he
wiki
going
tiki.
for? Oh God.
Oh.
Oh God. Oh. That is not healthy. Yo. Hey, Cat, come on, but you gotta Oh, and kicks, punch. Oh. Major DDT. Major DDT. Cover.
Boondoxx out of here.
Savage Mann said no. John the Cat Hardy still does not trust Boondoxx. Hey! Easy.
Turn him up, Savage.
Oh, and John the Cat Hardy is actually helping Chumalaco.
I mean, that was terrible. That was terrible. Cat's whole body went into the can.
3, 4.
Oh, referee to the count of 4.
5.
Count of 5 now. Savage must in complete control of this matchup.
Cat.
You gotta jump. You gotta get off your feet. You gotta do something.
Let's go, Cat. Let's go, Boondoxx. Let's go, Cat. Let's go, Boondoxx.
Just cat right now.
Let's go, Cat.
Let's go, Cat.
Just steps all over Cat like a little cockroach.
God, John the Cat Hardy is really not looking like he's a TCW athlete. I'm gonna say that. John the Cat Hardy is looking like a loser.
Shave that mustache. Shave the mustache. Shut up.
Oh, and John the Cat is trying to kick him from the floor.
Hey, Mo, you want to do one?
Oh, what? That's not healthy. Oh, he doesn't look like he's moving. Oh!
Yes!
Make the tag before you die. Make the tag.
Everybody's getting hurt tonight. What the hell? Somebody do football.
Cat tags out before the death wish comes to him. Now Boondoxx is in.
Oh God.
This is the first time I've ever seen Savage Mo stumble.
Oh, what? And they're doing that tag team stuff they always do. Oh!
Cat and Boondoxx.
Wow, that's an impressive move. He's gonna die.
Cat and Boondoxx.
You know, what are your predictions
Oh,
with this?
hey, Chet, it's not cold. What? What just happened? What just happened? What just happened? Yes!
You're smart, you motherfucker.
Hey, Boondoxx is out.
Boondoxx left! Boondoxx has left his partner!
Betrayed.
Kill him, Mo! Kill him!
Mo! Oh wait, no, he's a good guy. Let's go, Cat! Let's go, Cat!
Worst match of my fucking life.
Oh Lord! And he fought Tchaikovsky. Oh.
Yo, Mo, have you slipped back to us? I still can't find mine.
Don't kill him. Don't kill him.
Mo's gonna kill him!
Mo's gonna
Kill him! Mo's gonna kill him! You.
Somebody help Cat. Stuff before your eyes. He might kill him.
Oh, death! Jesus. How athletic is the big man? Huh? Nobody cares. No. Oh, we can take it. Death!
Oh, that's what he calls the Dawson Creek.
It's a wicked taking!
Oh. Hey, shut up.
Get the fudge out of here.
Watch your mouth.
They didn't hear me.
He died!
He's dead.
He could go for the cover.
Power bump. Power bump. Power bump.
Hey, what are you doing?
Power bump.
Oh, don't take the power bomb.
Power bump.
Oh, he's gonna take it.
High cross. High cross powerbomb. High cross powerbomb.
Oh, God. He's tapping.
He's tapping!
It's over.
Get it. Break the hole. Break the hole.
Ref, break it up, ref. You suck, bro. Decision. I can't hear you.
Can somebody touch your face?
TPC,
Grab the money.
the winner of the match, obviously, Savage Mo.
It's too cold for that shit.
Another W in the column for Savage Mo. Another W in the column for TPC. Another W in the
you
column
didn't win.
for Chumalaco. I'm always winning.
You not Charlie Sheen?
Hey, shut up. I was gonna say that.
Savage Mo,
I took it out of your head.
post-match interview. I just gotta know, how do you feel?
Like you got hit in the head.
Oh, don't break it. Please.
Nice mic. You know how I feel? I feel like I'm ready to get paid because I'm ready for my paycheck. I don't entertain none of you guys. I don't care about any of you. I did this for a paycheck. Lies.
Yo, you get paid.
care about the fans,
Everybody
Savage.
did
I know
shit.
you
Deep down. Deep down, you care about the fans.
Deep down.
I remember when you were a kid.
care.
I remember when you were a kid. You would look into my eyes.
You
and
have
say,
issues. You have issues, and you're weird, and you don't belong here. You need a helmet when you come to shows.
Seriously, I
You're
remember
freak.
you
You sleep with floaties on because you might drown, or you're weird. Okay, ladies and gentlemen,
TNT.
I have some news for everybody. I have some breaking news for everybody. I mean, it's not breaking news. I mean, I might break your hearts. I mean, but, you know, Savage Mo.
Is it about X?
Savage Mo. Savage Mo ended the career of Sinister X. You will never, ever see Sinister X.
We miss you,
That
X.
is TCW.
Wait, like what X said with JD?
No, what?
When X said JD, you never
Shut
come
up.
back?
Shut
We're
up.
never gonna see X in the Coney Island area, in Brooklyn, or in the tri-state area. It's over, X. He's wheeling himself back to Nebraska. He's gonna work on 319's farm with Ricky Rose and Showtime West. Showtime Classic milks cows like no other tag team before.
Sucks utters. Tell him about the others.
That's personal.
Don't we hire him?
Shut up.
Do it. Let him live in your house.
Yo, come on, son.
You know what
He could.
you know who sucks?
It's like a Mexican car.
BDM sucks.
BDM does suck.
BDM,
MDB backwards.
you got destroyed by your own partner.
He wants to be
Then you got mollywopped by Punisher 319. Savage Mo, I think we should just call it a day. I don't think you should call them out. I think
No, I was just being humorous. I didn't really think that BDM would come back from wherever the hell he came from to wrestle Savage Mo. I mean, come on. Come on.
BDM, if you're
Who
looking at
walks to their own execution? BDM's not coming here. BDM's not accepting my challenge at Overboard because he's a punk, just like everybody else in TNT.
BDM,
Yeah.
if you get the chance to watch, if you get a chance to see what we're saying, what did you say, you jerk? What? What? You're really tall from up there, but I'm pretty sure you're not even above my ball sack when you come down here. What did you say, Shorty 240? I can't hear you. You'll tap my ball sack. Chin or mouth, buddy. Chin or mouth. 10 seconds.
BDM fan.
Yo, man, I last a lot longer than 10 seconds if you're willing to put the work in.
Get him out of here.
I think it's a good way to end the 2013 year. Or start it, whatever. Ladies and gentlemen, the best tag team to ever grace TCW, to come to this godforsaken place, to wrestle for you godforsaken people, especially you right there, that guy, right there. No, you ugly. I'm talking to you.
He's an ugly kid.
Ladies and gentlemen, Savage Mo. What did you say?
He needs Rosetta Stone.
Shut up.
He can't help himself.
Well, are those Rosetta Stone discs working for you, pal? Because all I hear is like a bunch of nonsense, bro. And you and that Captain Lisp, where is he? Hey, sleep. Hey.
I knew you in 2007. You were a good kid.
Your mother.
Hey, you went to class. Dude from Ben Pensada. Dude from Ben Pensada.
Excuse me. What's your name over there, skateboard boy?
Go down.
What is your name?
Hey! Sit here! You! Stand there! Hey, you! Come here!
His name's Lewis.
Already knew it.
Think of that.
3-1 next.
Everybody else just left.
3-1.
Bring it in. No, come on. Why you guys up there? I mean,
Hey.
it's deceased for free, for God's sakes. Just come on, bring it in.
They can see it if they want. They
Bring it in. Come down here.
They like you!
Down.
Yo, look what happened.
Hey,
don't
guys,
like you.
don't leave!
I can step to you.
Leave! Come watch
I can
this!
step to you, Savage Mo.
Oh, she coming! Wait a minute! Oh my God! BDM! BDM's here! He's back for Easter! Got here! BDM!
This is different than the old place.
BDM!
It must be Easter because Jesus Man is here.
Sinister X-Man is made from Ludus.
This is backyard.
It's cute.
This is backyard.
Come here, stay away from me.
This is backyard. Wait, TNT.
His name is Chewbacca? Your name is Chewbacca?
Tell me what your name is.
Chewbacca!
God bless you.
Chewbacca, what the?
You just getting my vote. You're getting my vote. Please don't break it.
Yo, TCW, what's good?
BDM's back.
I like it. Shut up.
Beast mode. Beast mode. Beast mode. Beast mode.
Beast mode! Beast mode! Beast mode!
Beast mode.
Yo,
He does it better.
I thought his slogan was "Aou."
I got this.
The only thing about beast mode is your keyboard. You keyboard warrior.
Whoa, BDM. You're here.
I'm still the best
Here.
champion.
Well, you're at T19 next. Everybody's showing up.
I don't think you realize how dangerous it is for you to be in this ring with the main event trio. I don't think you realize that if you accept my challenge at Overboard, how dangerous it's going to be for you in that ring against Savage Mo.
You better pray.
Now my question is to you, BDM, is do you
touch
accept
you, I'm not going to
the
jail.
challenge at Overboard?
Shut up. BDM came back. Pay attention. What's good, BDM?
Shut your mouth.
Beast mode.
Wait until
So hold up.
come on with my shirt.
So Savage Mo wants to face off against the master of the C10. The one and only Greatness, BDM. He's trying to get choked out in 10 seconds or less. Guaranteed.
Give himself a warning label.
My brother, are you really sure you want this? Are you really sure you want this?
All I do is Jesus juice at me. Hey, listen.
Yo, bring it here, man.
Last week, I called out BDM. I'm positive that I want to kill off TNT. Just like the guys you brought in. Rose, Showtime West.
Backyard.
Not Ludus!
Machine.
Not Ludus! This is backyard. Not Ludus!
Me and TPC have killed off everybody in TNT. Shut up! Shut up! Shut up!
Shut your mouth! That makes sense. I don't speak that language. Lace up by yourself. When you go home, you freaks. All you bunch of freaks. You inbred freaks up there too. Especially you really ugly kid. Okay, wait. Take this microphone. Hey, give me a ref. Give me a ref. I want to match with BDM right now. Give me a ref. Give me a ref. I want to match with BDM.
This match is underway! BDM versus TPC!
Ring the bell!
Oh my God, what a match! This is a match! It's BDM returning in 2013 against TPC Abraham! Their first match of the year! First match of the year for the individuals, of course.
Rusty Razor!
Not used to this ring, boy.
It's 12 by 13 over here.
This is where original TCW started, boy. Not that grass shit.
Who understands that? Cheers for him and they...
You're mine!
I'm bipolar.
I can hear it!
Oh! Get him off the gate, man. Come on.
No way, man.
This is where original TCW started, boy. This is where original TCW started.
TPC, what do you say? TPC, what do you say?
Not the C10. Nah, the C10.
TPC, what do you want to do, man?
This don't look right. This don't look right. Oh, hey! BDM returning. BDM. Northern Lights. BDM getting crushed. He's just getting crushed. TPC Abraham here. Savage Mo, TPC Abraham, back-to-back matchups. Oh my God.
Turtle eating Kansas no more.
Oh God, what's he going for here? There it is!
TCW!
G19 beat the game of
Back when you were still an announcer. Back when you were still an interviewer.
Not nice.
Yeah, oh man, the TPC here. Oh no, what's he going for? Oh, Snake Eyes. Oh, wow! We haven't seen that in a while here. TCW referee checking on BDM. BDM got crushed.
I've never seen it.
And now TPC here. BDM must have a lot of ring rushes. He hasn't been participating here in any wrestling activities with TCW in a while. He's not used to this. TPC on the other end, he's here 24/7. Oh!
Almost
God. Oh, who didn't see that one coming? Oh, don't do it, because I said I was going to do it, but okay, if you do it, that's fine too. You did it. There it is. Sunset.
Two count.
So Springboard Sunset. I was talking with Abraham.
One.
Roll up by TPC Abraham.
TPC, you want to tap it out? You want some more? You want to get out? I don't know.
BDM might just have. TPC has never tapped out. TPC has never tapped out. And there's the roll up.
Two.
And nope.
One.
Wow. now TPC. Oh God, we know that. Oh, there it is. That's a good one. Go.
Too late.
Wait, both shoulders are down. Both, you got it. They can't decide.
2.
And they both kick out. That would have been a tie. The referee doesn't know what he's saying. He's just saying 2. Oh! Whoa! Whoa! Everybody getting hit there today. Not one person hasn't gotten hit there today.
I didn't get hit. I didn't get hit.
Not yet. Yeah, who got some head? He got some. Oh man, and now BDM. Oh, what's BDM going for? Wait a minute. Hey! Wow, what just happened? Looked like BDM reversed out of halfway in midair.
1, 2.
And that's a terrible way to cover a guy like TPC. Give him too much space. Hey. Oh God, what's he going for? Oh God, what's he going for?
A triangle choke!
Oh, he might. I think he's gonna try to make him tap.
Chumalaka, what are you doing now? Hit Chumalaka.
Hey, Chumalaka, he can't be there. Referee, not based on
TPC, what do you want to do? TPC, you want to go? TPC,
hey,
let me know what's the match.
That's a match going on.
What do you
BDM.
want to do?
No.
Oh God. Oh no.
No. Oh, no.
Oh! Electric chair. Electric chair.
1.
Oh man, referee counting them now.
2. 3.
Oh man.
4. 5.
Referee to the count of 5. Both men gotta get up. If not, they're both gonna get disqualified.
6.
And it looks like TV's getting to his feet. And he's up. It's all good. This match continues. Oh, whoa, tilt the wall! Yep, you bastard, tilt the wall! And we know what's coming, right? The Gunbuster! There it is! Man! Tilt the world!
BDM! BDM! BDM!
Gunbuster!
BDM!
Chumalaka has to get out of the ring! Chumalaka is distracting the referee. Hey, look! Sam's low there. Look at that.
Do something!
Referee's distracted with Chumalaka.
Do something! This is not Lunas!
Say it again. You're going to get
This
punched.
is TCW.
Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, wait a minute. We see what's... Oh, BDM. Oh, Karada. Yeah, stop smoking.
Beast Mode!
Rising knee!
He's got a high five God!
Well, there he is. He's going for the rising knee. And dang!
Teach me how to doggy. Teach me how to doggy.
For you, vintage BDM! Oh my God, vintage BDM!
Beast mode!
Come on, man!
Oh, what's he going for? It's kind of cold to be doing that, but all right.
Oh my God! Die!
Oh no, he said nope. What? Oh shit!
They're both down.
1!
Dead!
Dude, did you hear his back?
Yes, I did. Yo, he's dead.
3!
He's dead.
How old is your mom?
He ain't breathing.
That makes no sense. 4!
How many bagels did you eat today?
Shut
butt.
up.
4!
BDM! 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 BDM!
We want machines.
Oh man. There's one more promo after this.
Uh-oh.
Oh man.
This time you're not coming back. 319, you piece of...
Oh no.
Oh! Son, bring the bell! Bring the bell! Water bottle?
The water bottle has a heavy object inside.
It has. It's filled with ice. Ice cold water. Ice.
That's what you have to leave your food bag.
Oh, that's
Like
not
I
cool.
said to sister, accept my challenge at Overboard. Accept it.
If he doesn't
Accept it.
Kill him! Oh! That's kind of racist. You're only targeting black.
Accept the challenge. Accept the challenge.
Speak to my advisors.
Then he beats the fuck out of you.
We never get security.
You are a racist guy.
High class powerbomb.
Ungrateful niggas that don't.
He got you all again. Stroll.
Oh!
Shut up, mean.
Dead. BDM's dead.
Wow.
What is this? You still with
Oh!
High class powerbomb.
Powerbomb! Powerbomb!
High class powerbomb.
One more time.
High class powerbomb. High class powerbomb.
Do it for you.
Do it for me. Do it for me.
Do it for the money.
Do it for the confidence.
Hey, shut up and listen.
Should I powerbomb him?
High cross.
Pikachu!
Giga.
Oh crap! Oh crap!
Oh, shit.
High class powerbomb.
I had sound!
that nigga's dead. That nigga's dead. I counted at least 3 minutes.
BDM has died on like 3, 4, 5 different occasions. And you heard it here, folks. It's gonna be Savage Mo versus BDM at Overboard. BDM, somebody get him a stretcher. And in 2 weeks, I'm gonna see you at Overboard. And get him another stretcher to pick him up again. And put him in the same casket as Sister X. Oh my God. BDM just returned and his body's laid out. What kind of match was this?
BDM Savage Mo coming at the pay-per-view.
Get him some water.